Hey everyone, welcome to my channel again. So in this video, we're gonna discuss how to get this huge $750 Bank of America business checking account bonus offer and how to open an account. So let's get started. So before we get started, let's look at some of the features of Bank of America business checking account. First of all, you can open it online, and in order to get this bonus, you actually need to open this account online. And it could take more than 30 minutes because it's a business checking account. They may require more information than the personal checking account, and later I'll show you step by step how to open this business checking account to get the $750 bonus. And there is no monthly fee for first 12 months, which is really great. Usually business checking account has some monthly fees, but for first 12 months there is no monthly fee. And once you get the bonus, you can close it, so you don't have to worry about the fee after 12 months. $0 liability guarantee, which means you're not liable for any unauthorized transactions as long as you report to Bank of America immediately. So $750 cash bonus is the biggest bonus, and it is not required to have any direct deposit. That means there is no direct deposit requirements. You can just send the money from your external account to Bank of America business checking account in order to get the $750 bonus. Now let's take a look. What are the requirements to get this $750 bonus? So the first requirement is you need to open a new Business Advantage banking account through this web page by the end of this year. So you have time, but you need to open a new account, and you have to make sure you have not opened any business checking account with Bank of America in previous 12 months. Number two, you need to deposit $15,000 directly into this account within 30 days of account opening. So look here, no direct deposit, just deposit from your external account. Do not transfer money from your Bank of America personal checking account to your Bank of America personal to your Bank of America business checking account. So you need to deposit $15,000 from your external account that is not associated or affiliated with Bank of America. So let's say you send money from Citibank or Chase Bank, whatever external account you use to send this money to here. Make sure that those banks are not affiliated with Bank of America by any means. And the third one is you need to maintain daily balance of that $50,000 for 90 days after account opening. So basically, you deposit $50,000 from an external account here, and then you keep it for 90 days, and then you're going to get this huge $750 bonus. There is no other requirements, which is probably one of the easiest among all other business checking account bonuses. Now let's take a look how to open this account. So you go to promotions.bankofamerica.com/smallbusiness/biz2 offer. You go there, or you just write in Google $750 business checking account bonus offer. You come here, so you click on get started. Once you click on get started, they're going to show you two different kinds of business checking accounts to choose from. I chose Business Advantage Fundamentals Banking because this is for smaller companies and there is no monthly fee for the first 12 months, and that's gonna do the job for getting a cash bonus. You can also go with this one if you want to, but I would prefer to stay with this one. So you click on open an account, and once you click on open an account, it's going to say before you apply the number of checking accounts will be $116 per month fee, but there is no monthly fee for first 12 months. And if you also want to apply for business credit card or business advance savings, so it's up to you. I didn't want to do that because I did not want them to run the credit check, so I clicked on next. And then they're going to ask you if you have an existing account. You can say yes, or if you don't have, then you're going to say no. Then if you say no, you're going to continue. Then they're going to tell you that you are applying for this Business Advantage Fundamentals Banking account. Then you're going to start. They're going to ask you, are you authorized to open financial accounts for this business? Of course, yes, because if you have any kind of business, either is it LLC or S corp, or you're just a sole proprietorship, just a business on your own name, like you do some kind of delivery or driving, whatever job you do or you're planning to do, you can always open a business account under your name. So you click on yes, and then it's going to ask you business legally structure formation. If it's LLC, sole proprietorship, whatever. If you don't have the EIN, you can excuse me, you can select sole proprietorship. Basically, you're going to use your SSN and your own name. That's going to be your business. But if you have a company or corporation, you're going to put that. Then you click on continue, and then they're going to ask you some information about you, like your name, whether you're a citizen, your date of birth, social security number, your country of residence, residence address, your phone number, your email. Then are you the business owner? They're going to ask you whether you own 100% or 20%, whatever it is. You need to put all this information. Excuse me. Of course, the business legal name. If you have a LLC or business name, you're going to put it. If you are a sole proprietorship, then you can put your own name as it is in your document, and in your business tax ID number is going to be your SSN, like they have given you some instructions here. Then date of business established, you can just put the month and year. If it's January 2026, then you're going to put 01/2026. They just want to know information. It's not like you have already created. If you're a sole proprietorship, you can say I'm planning to, or I've been doing some work, whatever it is, or I'm planning to do some work. It's not a big deal. So you can provide this information. And then they also want to ask you what industry do you work. Like I said, if you're a sole proprietorship, you're going to put like I'm just doing delivery or whatever work, or driving, whatever you find in the list. But if you have a company specific to a specific industry, you put that. So there are so many different options from the drop down. You can just find the one that is closely matching to your work. So you provide your country, your state, your physical address. This could be your own home address if you're a sole proprietorship. So the business phone could be your own personal number if you're a sole proprietorship. So you can provide all this information. Then you go next. Then it is going to ask you who's authorized to make transactions on behalf of the business. Here is going to have your name. So you click on that and you click on next. And then the funding preference, you can fund $100 now. You don't have to do it right now, or you can do it later. I would prefer to do it later so that I can transfer those $15,000. And then here your name, then card type, basically it's a business card you can choose, and then next. And then they're gonna do some disclosures before you submit the application. They're gonna probably some kind of documents to read before you submit. And once it's submitted, then they're gonna tell you right away whether the application is approved or not. In my case, it was approved right away and my account was open. But if it doesn't get approved, they're gonna send you an email and mail why it was not approved, or if they need additional information. So let's say it's approved, and then they're gonna ask you to create your user ID and password. Once you create the user ID and password, then you're gonna see that your account number and routing number is already created, which you can use to transfer money from an external account. So this is how you're gonna get this bonus, and this is how you're gonna open this account. It's very easy. It may take probably 20-30 minutes just to make sure that you provide accurate information so that it gets approved. And it's one of the easiest bonus, $750 bonus if you deposit $15,000. So if you deposit less than $15,000, let's say if you deposit $5,000, then you're gonna get, I think, $400 bonus. But it's still, if I have the money, I would definitely try to deposit $15,000. It's not a direct deposit, just depositing $15,000, keeping it for 90 days to get this $750 bonus. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Please let me know if you have any questions, concern, or need any help. And please do not forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.